Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I will explain to share about my assignment 1 in subject engineering and society, which is on 23rd June. I have 10 talk. The title Health and Safety in Workplace is Competency in Industrial Hygiene. So I am ISKANDAR bin HAIRULNIZAM 1181800. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so the talk have been delivered by Dr. Nur Azali bin Azmi. So Dr. Nur Azali bin Azmi is a graduate from Bachelor of Mechanical Engineering from UTHM, and then he continued study in Master in Mechanical Engineering in UKM. Then now he's a senior lecturer in UTHM, and he also the founder of Occupational Vibrations and Noise Management System or VNMS. In the same time, he also as a trainer in occupational safety and health engineering. And then now we go, what is workplace safety and health? So safety and health is the critical concern that many firms overlook in today's society because many people are involved in accidents as a result of negligence or careless in a range of scenario. So the accidents and disaster will be occur when the safeguard and a safety measure are not followed. So engineer may be the person in charge to ensure and manage the potential dangerous such as high voltage, toxic, chemical, and so on. So professional misconduct occur when an engineer fails to act to repair the potential hazard conditions or fail to follow the regulations and standard. Okay, now we go to the problem statement. So I have 3 problem statement. First, an actor is important in decision-making process of engineering organizations. This is because engineer is the persons that are responsible to manage it. So the probability of something going wrong and negative consequences if the wrong decision-making happen. So the problem is now, does acting important in deciding and how important it is. And second is safety and health are the crucial aspect of managing project. So the project manager must play a clear and proactive role in injury and illness prevention. So how important does safety and health issue needs to be considered in managing engineering project? We will answer it after this, okay? So the last is the main task or responsibility of engineer is necessary to maintain the safe environment by creating a safe, sustainable environment, recyclable and renewable energy resources. So, however, is there any integration of ACLI and ACLI that we can relate with the impact of professional engineering works toward environment? So now we continue to our discussion today. How ethics play a role in making decisions. Professional engineer in Malaysia is tied to the Code of Professional Conduct established by BEM and IEM. It is a framework for ethical judgment for professional situations and defines the role and responsibilities of professionals. All this code is a guideline to an engineer thinking, so ethics is playing a lot important in making decisions on engineering organizations. This has been shared by speaker using a own experience in occupational safety and health. Dr. Azali just only covered 2 things, which is noise and ventilation part. This is because he's just doing research in integration between occupational safety, health plus vibrations, engineering in her PhD. So this can be related with Code of Ethics and SPE National Society of Professional Engineering to perform duties only in area competence. So if he cover other topic then are not in his area of expertise, he will not only be engaging in professional misconduct, but he also endangering people's life since the decisions he make will be not correct. Okay, now we go to our next discussion. How safety and health issues are important to be considered in managing engineering project. So the effective management of health and safety risks in the engineering industry means being aware of the numerous potential hazards in our to help encounter hazard in construction, manufacturing, maintenance of an engineering project. This is because by ignoring the health and safety components of a design could result in disciplinary action from the engineering regulation association, as well as a potential legal liability if damage or injury occur as a result of design, flaw, or influence by safety measure. And the potential injury and illness can be arise in the engineering profession if safety and health are not taken into consideration. So therefore, it is important to consider health and safety in managing engineering project. And lastly, we go profession engineer. how it's work toward environment, public, and society. So professional engineer playing a critical and crucial part in achieve sustainability. They seek to increasing people welfare, health, and safety while using a few natural resources as possible. And paying attention to environment and resources sustainability, the challenge and opportunity have an impact on sustainability to provide an option and solution and maximize social value and minimize the environment impact, because this has been mentioned in Quran in Surah Al-Rum verses 41, which is ظهر الفساد في البر والبحر بما كسبت أيدي الناس. The corruption is spread on land and sea as a result of what people's hands have done. This verse shows us that it is irreversible human action will bring unintended consequences to reclaim of God creations bestowed upon us. So the conclusion that I learned from this talk is safety and health is important to consider in workplace, and we should follow the regulations and code that have been given by BM and IEM in managing a project. So that's all from me. Thank you and assalamu alaikum.